Okay, so this is the video 2, so hopefully you submitted the assignment on Schoology where I just asked you to give all of these things, and it's really just a completion grade that so that I can see that you attempted. So the way I called this one the lightning bolt. You could have also maybe called it a Z, maybe. I really don't care what you called it. I just did lightning bolt because to me it looks like a funny shaped lightning bolt. This one, the other shape, I sorted it. I kind of feel like it looked like a lightning bolt, or sorry, two triangles. So I thought I could see a triangle kind of there, and then I could see a triangle there. So that's why I called it the triangle. Our book actually said a boot, so you can see that maybe it looks like a boot. I don't know. So I did that, and those were the letters that I got. List the figures that are the same shape, and you could have sorted them a different way, but that's the way I did it. List the figures that are the same shape as figure A. So here's figure A. So that's the two triangles or the boot. So again, we have the ones that look the same. So these ones are not the same, of course, but it's pretty much those letters right there. B, D, J, H, E, and F. And I know that's not alphabetical, but you could have made them alphabetical. How do I know they're the same shape? You could look at them, or you can also, I'm going to go ahead and trace it on patty paper. Actually, I'm going to use the corner of my patty paper that I was just using. You do not want to waste your patty paper. You will run out. I'm trying to find it. There it is. You will run out. So try to conserve patty paper. But so the same shape, I could just look at one of the other letters and I could say, okay, well that's the same shape, it's just like flipped around. Okay, so now if we look at the question 3, list the figures that are both the same shape and the same size. So this is when the patty paper really is beneficial to you. So if we look, like if I look at H, it doesn't look like it's the same shape, but notice I could always just flip over my patty paper and it is the same shape and the same size. So we'll say H. Let's try B because we said, ooh, that looks smaller. So B is not the same. It's definitely the same shape, but it's not the same size. So I'm not going to write down B. Let's look F. Yep, that's the same size. So F, I'm going to set that in that pile. E, let's look. So keep flipping your patty paper until you can find a way to get them to fit. And so yes, E works. Let's try J. J works. And I think that's it. Oh, there's the other one that was, so D we can definitely see is not the same size and same shape. So those, since they're the same shape and the same size, they are called congruent. So it would be a good idea to highlight that if you have highlighters. I like making these little clouds because I'm weird, but I like making those little clouds. So same shape, and same size means congruent. Okay, so now for 4, I want you to do the same thing. I'm not going to actually do this one. If you need to resubmit your assignment, after doing what we just did together, you can. I am not going to do question 4 with you guys because I think after seeing me use the patty paper, you can definitely go and fix your answer if you need to. So C, we have, you can trace, so this is C, and then I want you to lay it on your other shapes to the side, and again, you can flip them and all of that. So just list all of the letters. And remember, all corresponding sides and angles have to be the same. So if we look, I'll go ahead and do G. You can see this angle is the same, just like we did in the video 1, and this side is the same, so that means it's congruent.